Hey guys, Frank with Midnight Chaos. We're out here today with my boy Anthony.
Word.
So if you haven't already, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so Anthony's got me trying to fucking fit this IS250 diffuser on this car. But yo, it's going on.
Key screws.
Allen keys. But right, Keelan screws. Allen keys. Alright guys. So yeah, I almost got the front end suspension off. I'm about to throw the coils on. And we got the diffuser from the IS250 on. And we got the wheels being rolled.
You think I should add another spacer?
See.
Because it'll clear this.
Oh, you're hitting the
brake caliper
itself. Yeah, you're gonna need another spacer for sure.
Bro!
I got a spacer.
You know you got your door wide open? Yeah. It's like somebody gonna drive by and take it off. Little Civic. I closed it. Tripping. Alright, we're getting back to work. I can't keep filming. Fit. Yeah, so we got the car lowered in the front. Super low. So yeah, we want to go for a ride and see if it's gonna scrape really bad. Maybe have to roll the fender some more. Maybe lift it up. But if it rides good, no problems, we're gonna just like send it. That's all? That's not bad. It didn't even scrape the front. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yes.
Whatever you do not lower it a lot in St. Louis. Okay?
Oh shit.
I'm crying. I'm straight crying, my baby.
Did you hear that shit? Oh.
I can't even go over this.
We got it right. Oh. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.